Here is your boy Kobus-The realest OG, inspired by the ghost in the machine. Yeah, man. What's up, bro? Today it's Tuesday, the 19th. Our time moves so fast. Today is Tuesday, the 19th of May, 2026. How the hell are we in May, bro? This year just started. Anyway, see collab. It's like it knew that I'm going to place that. So this is Gbpusd. I'm looking at Gbpusd. What is it that I'm anticipating? We can see that we had a very big push to the downside here. If you can see this big move to the downside, and then it left what? It left a gap. So it left a gap here while breaking structure here. So this is the structure that was broken here. Let me use this. So it broke structure here. It broke those lows. So it broke these lows here. You can see how we swept the liquidity here. Okay, so break of structure, and then we have this gap here. So I'm going to monitor how price is going to close relative to this gap as stated in the journal. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is preferably what I would like to see is I would like to see this day or tomorrow. Okay, I want to see it collect this liquidity and then closing inside this big candle, this one. So I want to see a CRT formation forming inside this gap. Then I will know that price is likely to sell to that sell side here, or even eventually here. Yeah, so that's it in a nutshell. That's what I'm going to be looking for actually on silver. I mean on Gbpusd. Okay, so I'm just gonna look for a CRT candle. I'm just gonna be looking for CRT candle inside that zone, the gap, that daily gap, and then I will pair that CRT with what I want to see on a smaller time frame, 4 hour to 1 hour. Between the two, it could be 4 hours, it could be 2 hours, it could be 3 hours. I would like to see break of market structure to the downside with a gap again. So basically what I want to see is I want to see the same thing which happened here on a lower time frame, which is the fractal nature of price. Then I will know that price in combination with what? The CRT. So let's say this is the gap, okay, and then this is the candle, this is the big candle, okay, this is the daily candle, and then I would like to see, maybe if I see something like this, a big wick with a small body. Why is it making a circle? With a small body, then I know. Let me just show you what is it that I'm looking for. Okay, in a nutshell, because there I can't draw clearly, so it's that daily gap there here. Okay, let's say this is the daily gap. Okay, so let's say now this is that big white candle, okay, with a wick like this. So I would like to see so above these highs here, so this buy side so there's buy side resting above this. So what I would like to see is, I want to see, let me use a different color to, yeah, I want to see price go up and then reject, closing inside this candle's range, this candle here. Okay, so what will that candle actually look like? It's a CRT. I want to see a candle like this. I want to see a big rejection with a body like this, maybe. Come on, man. Not bad. Something like this. Then I know that the next candle is likely to be like this. Not actually like this, but the next candle is like this. It's likely to be like this. Next candle is likely to be like this. Probably another one will be like this. Clearing what? The sell side liquidity right here. So that's basically what I will be looking for inside this. It may not form, so we're just going to see what the market tells us, because when I look at Euro USD, although it's weak, Euro USD no, although it's weak, but what I'm seeing is Euro USD has already cleared Monday high. It also already cleared the highs since it's weak. Let's do this. Okay, you can see how price has already cleared the high of Monday while retesting the gap there. Okay, this gap may act as a breakaway gap, but when I look at the smaller time frame, there isn't convincing information to tell me that price now it's ready to sell. Okay, so price is likely to continue with the buy. It's likely, I'm not saying it's going to. So price is likely to just continue going there, maybe doing something like this. I want to see this. For me, this is my indication to sell. So I'm just going to be monitoring how price is actually reacting here, because this is a very where price is currently is, that is a very crucial area, or it's my point of interest, or a very sensitive zone. So for now, we're just going to wait and see what price does. But this is actually beautiful price. Okay, it's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, we should keep in consideration, if price fails to do what I'm anticipating, I see that price actually had an order block here. Okay, so we just tapped. So yeah, that may also hold price to the upside, but that's not my focus now. My focus is this gap here. It's this gap here. I want to see how price is going to react inside that gap, because if this was to hold price, I would have loved to see more information backing that, more evidence to back up that there is no change of market structure as of now. So I don't really focus more on that structure. Okay, but there is break of structure to the downside. You can see here price actually broke this low while going down, so it may do something like this. We shall see. It's gonna happen. I don't know if it happens. God bless everyone. I'm signing out. Peace. Yeah, that's what I have in a nutshell. I think that's going to be my focus for this week on EURUSD and GBPUSD. And once I catch that move, I think I'll be done for the week. Probably the move may happen today, tomorrow. Yeah, latest Thursday. Yeah, peace.